Alright guys, this is the Angry Prepper. Today's video is going to be on safe hikings. Now, this is a quick video because I'm on vacation in Vermont and I really didn't want to do a video this week, but I just spoke to one of the employees of Vermont State Park, and I just heard a story how two kids early this summer were hiking up a trail that was unmarked, stated to be unsafe, sliding rocks, and they ended up on one of the cliffs up here. I'll point to it now. They called 911 at 10 p.m. It took rescuers until 4 a.m. to come and get them. This is why you listen to state park officials to a point, okay? They were trapped up there for 7 hours. So lucky it wasn't the cold months. It was still warm out. I think the temperature got down to around mid 60s. So they were okay for the most part. But again, if you see signs saying, don't go this way, rock slides, cliffs, point of no return, try not to go down those trails. Now, yes, it does make hiking exciting and part of an adventure, which, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of trails I would have done that are dangerous too. But at some point in the trail, you're going to reach a point where you know you might not be able to come back from it, right? So the kids climbed up to a ledge, which is a cliff, like I said, right up here, and he couldn't climb back down. So the rescuers had to come across Mansfield Mountain and rappel down to get the kids and then hoist them back up, right? So 7 hours of that, just because kids didn't want to listen. Now, if you are going to put yourself in a situation, you yourself, the hiker, the camper, the outdoorsman, should be able to get yourself out of that situation as well, right? So it's only fair. Don't have the rescuers pretty much curse their way all the way up the side of the mountain to come and get you, all right? So again, this was a quick video. This is the Angry Prepper. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. You can also like and subscribe to my urban channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr. I also started a new photography channel called the Angry Lensman channel if you're into photography and if you're a beginner like myself. All right, guys, thank you for watching.